If you need to reset two-factor authentication on Coinbase, follow these steps to regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Access the Coinbase login page. Go to the Coinbase website or open the Coinbase app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. If you cannot access your account due to two-factor authentication issues, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. This will initiate the recovery process. Step 3. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. You may need to provide your email address or phone number associated with your account to receive a verification code. Step 4. Receive and enter the verification code. Check your email or SMS for the verification code sent by Coinbase. Enter this code in the provided field to proceed with the authentication reset. Step 5. Set up new two-factor authentication. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to set up a new two-factor authentication method. Follow the instructions to link a new authenticator app or phone number. After completing these steps, your two-factor authentication will be reset and you will be able to access your Coinbase account securely. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Coinbase support for further assistance.